The Texas Attorney General's office told us last night that it does not have the power to investigate and prosecute these crimes alone.
A local district attorney must ask the AG to step in, assist, or lead. So far, that has not happened.
But should the Attorney General have the power to fight these kinds of crimes? KXAN's political reporter Phil Prazen has been asking lawmakers that question all day, and he joins us live with an update now. Phil, what'd you learn?
Well, Sydney, most Texas lawmakers have just seen this news and are still mulling it over, but two already tell me that the Attorney General should have this power and use it. Austin Democrat Eddie Rodriguez told me he would support legislation that gives the Texas Attorney General the authority that he or she needs to protect Texas children and shine light on institutional cover-ups such heinous illegal activity. Another Austin Democrat, Celia Israel, echoes that, telling me priests and other religious leaders are not exempt from the law and no institution should get away with hiding criminal activities. But so far, no bill has been filed here at the Texas legislature. The three people with the most influence, Governor Greg Abbott, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, and Speaker of the House Dennis Bonnen, have not weighed in yet. I have a call in to each of them, and I have not heard back yet. Live at the Capitol, Phil Prazen, KXAN News.
Online now, we have created a special page for our coverage where you can see the list of names for yourself, get up to speed on our investigation, and use our interactive map to find the places where these priests work, plus resources to report abuse. Just look for the Accused feature at the homepage at KXAN.com.